Have you ever thought about how a simple exercise like squats could transform your entire body? Well, today we're diving into the incredible benefits of doing daily squats. And trust me, it's more than just about building stronger legs. Squats aren't just for athletes. They're a powerhouse move you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Imagine strengthening not only your glutes and quadriceps, but also activating your core muscles every time you squat. But that's not all. Squats work wonders for your hip muscles, calves, hamstrings, and even your obliques. And if you're looking to burn calories and shed some weight, squats are your go-to exercise. They also play a crucial role in protecting your knees and ankles from injuries by strengthening the tendons, bones, and ligaments around your leg muscles. So, if you want to feel and look good, improve your posture and balance, and achieve a toned physique, stick around because daily squats might just be the game changer you need. Let's dive into the fantastic benefits of doing daily squats and how they can transform your body and health. First off, squats are amazing for building strong, toned legs. They target your glutes and quadriceps, giving you a firm, strong butt and killer legs. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing those muscles getting more defined each day. But it's not just about the legs. Squats also give you super strength by engaging multiple muscle groups. Your hip muscles, calves, hamstrings, and even your obliques get a workout with every squat. This full body engagement means you're building overall strength and power. One of the best things about squats is their ability to strengthen your core. When you squat, your abs have to work hard to keep you balanced. This results in a strong core, which is crucial for almost every movement you make. A strong core supports your spine, improves your posture, and makes everyday activities easier. Daily squats also help you burn calories, which is perfect if you're aiming to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Squats get your heart rate up and keep your metabolism active even after you've finished your workout. This calorie burning boost helps you stay fit and trim. Now let's talk about flexibility. Squats are excellent for keeping your joints and muscles flexible. As you squat regularly, you'll notice your body becoming more limber and agile. This increased flexibility helps you move better and reduces stiffness, making daily tasks more comfortable. One major benefit of squats is the reduced risk of injury. By strengthening the tendons, ligaments, and bones around your knees and ankles, squats provide better support and stability. This means you're less likely to get injured during other activities. Squats make your knees more stable and take some of the load off your joints, which is especially helpful if you're prone to knee or ankle issues. Squats also contribute to stronger bones by boosting your bone mineral density. This is particularly important for your spine and lower body. Stronger bones mean a stronger skeleton, which supports your overall health and mobility as you age. What's more, squats prepare your body for other types of training. If you enjoy sports or other forms of exercise, having strong legs, a powerful core, and better flexibility will enhance your performance. Squats build a solid foundation, making your body primed for training and other physical activities. And the best part? Squats can be modified to suit your fitness level. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced athlete, you can adjust the intensity of your squats. Start with basic bodyweight squats and gradually add weights or variations as you get stronger. This makes squats accessible to everyone, no matter where you are in your fitness journey. Finally, doing squats regularly can boost your confidence and make you feel great. As you see your body getting stronger, more toned, and more capable, you'll feel a sense of pride and achievement. Better posture and balance are added bonuses, helping you move through life with more confidence and ease. Daily squats are not just a workout for your legs, they're a total body game changer. By incorporating squats into your routine, you're not only building strong, toned legs, but also gaining super strength across your entire body. The benefits are clear. A stronger core for better balance and posture, reduced risk of injury thanks to stronger joints, and enhanced flexibility that keeps you agile and mobile. Squats also contribute to stronger bones and prepare your body for various types of physical activities. What's great is that anyone can benefit from squats. Whether you're just starting out or already a fitness enthusiast, there's a squat variation that suits your level. Start with basic squats and gradually add intensity as you progress. So, if you're looking for an exercise that offers strong, toned legs, super strength, less injury risk, a strong core, killer legs, a body primed for training, and the ability to modify as needed, squats are your go-to move. Make them a part of your daily routine and watch the amazing transformation unfold. So why wait? Start squatting today and reap the rewards of a healthier, stronger, and more confident you. Your body will thank you for it. If you're curious about other effective exercises for building muscle, check out my video on how many push-ups should you do a day to build muscle.